we have to take the flex plate off from the inside, so we move this access cover, set it aside, and if you can see, there are bolts every so often, so we're going to take these out, rotate the engine, take some more out, rotate the engine, and so on, until we get all, I believe there's 6 of them. You have to be kind of careful, this thing may fall off of the jacks. So our flywheel's broke, so this actually may come apart without having to take these bolts off, but that's how the manual says to do it. We want to practice for when we put it back together. So I'm going to go ahead and disassemble it just like it says. Well, I think we found the culprit. Yep, I think we found our problem. So the little Huff loader got used to lift the torque converter off, worked pretty good, but you can see definitely a flex plate failure. We're gonna have to do a bunch of checks according to the manual to make sure that nothing's out of center or bent or not spinning true. Once we do that, which I think this is more of a problem of metal fatigue and just cracking over 51 years of use. According to the manual, it says that if the flex plate breaks, then it had to have been misalignment issues, but it made it almost 50 years before this happened, so unless I see some cracked bell housings or something of that nature, I'd have a hard time believing that anything has changed as far as alignment goes. But we're still going to check it out. We check for leaks, see if we fix anything while we're in here. Thanks for watching.